Hi, kitty cats. This is my second try. This is how I look in the morning. I know I look like crap today, but I am starting to feel a little better. I still have a sore throat. But I haven't gotten... I don't know about you, but when I get a cold, I sound the worst when I get to the very end. I'm not quite at the very end yet. I know some people that have gotten these colds is gone for like 2 weeks, and now my battery's dying. What the heck? It shouldn't be dying. Well, I'm gonna try and do this as quickly as possible, and if it doesn't work, I'll go charge my battery and try it again. But I did want to show you guys, lots of my different other YouTuber friends have sent cards. We did like a little card swap, so I want to show some of them to you. Isn't that cute? And that one's from Michelle, and this one is from Lena. I love Snoopy, so I really appreciate that one. This one is from Natasha. She handmade it, and she sent, here it is. She made a decoration too, look, that you can hang. Isn't that adorable? Like, so sweet. And then we got this one here, which came from Bethany, and she had little stickers inside. So cute. Adorable. So I just want to show you that, guys, that. And then I want to show you, I'm not telling you this is Pancake's costume that came in the mail today. That's all you're going to know about that. But I also got Jeffree Star Mystery Box came, and it was super weird because I just got a thing yesterday saying that it was like being processed, and then today it was like, I got an email this morning that said it was on its way. And then I got an email saying it had been delivered. And I'm like, how did this all happen? Like, no. Like, something got messed up here, because if you're just shipping it out, there's no way that I'm going to get it on the same day it shipped out. I didn't get no express delivery or nothing. So I don't know what happened there. But because it gets shipped from like California, and I'm in Vermont, so that doesn't make any sense that it would come that quickly. I mean, I'm not complaining that it's here. I'm just like, somewhere in the email somebody didn't do something right. I'm trying to get this open so I can show it to you before my battery dies. Oh, for goodness sakes, I don't have any scissors right here, of course. Jeffree, this got taped up so weird too. I don't know. Ugh. I've heard before that his shipping situations are not the best. I've only gotten one thing from Jeffree Star before, so this is like my second time. I pretty much have an idea of what's in here because I've seen other people open their little mystery boxes. So I should be pretty happy with what I got. Red Rum lipstick. Ooh, love the name. Looks like it's gonna be a pretty red. Okay, I don't know how to open a stupid lipstick apparently. There we go. His packaging, yes. Beautiful red. Oh, yes. Okay, so now we can finish this. I had to go and charge it, my battery, because it died. But anyways, yeah, this color is really beautiful. It's a beautiful red. Very classic red, really. And what else is in here? Another lippy. This is a liquid lipstick. Get it open. The name is First Class. Ooh, ooh. Pretty. Oh, nice. Oh, it feels so nice. I've never had a Jeffree Star liquid lipstick before. Look at that. Oh my god. That's beautiful. That's stunning. And we've got another velour liquid lipstick. Soul Sucker. I'm kind of excited about the name. That's an awesome name. Oh, this also looks like it's gonna be like super beautiful. You know, I was told that. Oh yes, that's gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Black with like little metallic flecks. Like gold flecks. Oh, wow. These are beautiful colors. It's just that I was told that when you get these boxes, like, a lot of it's like colors and stuff that didn't sell well, but these don't seem like bad colors to me. Like, these seem like newer stuff. I mean, maybe not the red rum isn't. I know that, but I don't think I've ever seen Soul Sucker or First Class. And if they have been around for a while, well, they're still gorgeous and they're not weird. Especially for this time of the year. I was expecting maybe some more vibrant, like, strange colors. But I think a gold and a black with metallic in it is like really pretty. Like a gold could even be like a Christmas holiday, you know. These are beautiful. I would wear them all the time. I don't understand why people say the things that they say. Okay, and I think this is the last thing. Because I only got a small box. I didn't get one of the bigger ones because, one, I don't have money for those big boxes. And two, they were sold out anyways. Okay. Got some lovely green tissue paper. And some lovely bubble wrap. And this is what I was expecting, because I saw that people got the mini breaker. And what's funny is when Jawbreaker came out and the mini breaker came out, I actually wanted to get this. So this is pretty awesome that I ended up getting something that I wanted to get but couldn't afford at the time. So this is so pretty. Look at these. So much purple and pink in there. Like, and that orange. My daughter's gonna like steal this all the time. I can tell you that. I'm gonna just... And, I mean, if you don't like Jeffree Star, I get it, you know. But the makeup is out of this world. So I'm gonna swatch these a bit. Double Scoop, Orange Crush. I'm kind of doing it backwards. Sorry about that. And Foreplay. Nice. Aren't those pretty? Focus. Come on. There we go. So the like orange yellow color is Double Scoop, and then the middle is Orange Crush, and the pinkish purple is Foreplay. And wash that off as best I can. dry. It's exciting. Exciting colors. And then Oral. That Oral is really pretty. Definitely a color that I'm going to use. Purple Punch. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. And Slice. Oh, I'm so excited. Look at those. See them? So this one's Oral. That's Purple Punch, and this is Slice. Aren't those beautiful? I'm really happy that I got this. Although the last thing I need was an art eyeshadow palette. Seriously, my drawer is full. I need a second drawer for eyeshadow palettes. I don't even know how I'm gonna declutter them next year because I like almost everything I have. Just don't know what I'm gonna do. And do I want more? Of course I want more. But I'm like, two things that I love getting are eyeshadow palettes and highlighters. Lipsticks come in third. But eyeshadow palettes is definitely first. Okay, so bubblegum, which is like that bubblegum pink that Jeffree's everything is. It's like his favorite color. Bite Me. Oh, that's gorgeous. And Hot Fudge. Should put a little more on that one. Yeah. Look at those colors. Come on, focus, focus, focus. So yeah, you could see which, you know, which one's bubblegum pink. And the middle is Bite Me, and the last one's Hot Fudge. Bite Me is beautiful. And Hot Fudge is like a really great color for your crease. So, that's the palette. Yeah, I'm really excited that I got this. Bianca does not know that I got this yet. But I'm sure she is going to go nuts when she sees it and tries to steal everything. But it's not happening because I like all this stuff way too much. Well, I mean, she'll use the stuff, but yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching. I know I haven't been on very much because I've been sick. And I'm sorry I sniffled because I'm still sick. Anyways, thanks for watching. And share, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And, you know, all that good stuff. And I love you guys. And please remember to be kind, even when, your makeup is, I don't know. What was I gonna say? I don't know, just be kind. You know? Just do it. Bye-bye, kitty cats.